Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super delicious, unique, and healthy banana chocolate cake that's perfect for dieting, weight-conscious people, and chocolate lovers. It's soft, chocolatey, naturally sweet, and made with simple ingredients. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss my useful recipes. Ingredients overview, 0:25 to 1 o'clock. Let's quickly go through the ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons coffee powder, this enhances the chocolate flavor, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons cocoa or dark chocolate powder. Chocolate chips, optional, but highly recommended. That's it. No heavy cream, no refined sugar, and no butter. Preparation, 1 to 220. First, take 3 ripe bananas and mash them really well in a bowl until smooth. The riper the bananas, the sweeter and softer your cake will be. Now add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. This gives a rich, deep chocolate taste. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder for a light and fluffy texture. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa or dark chocolate powder. If you love extra chocolate, you can add chocolate chips at this stage. Now mix everything together very well until you get a smooth batter with no lumps. Baking, 220 to 3 o'clock. Pour the batter into a greased baking mold. Tap the mold lightly to remove air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Always check with a toothpick, if it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Final result and outro, 3 to 340. And look at this. Our healthy banana chocolate cake is perfectly baked, soft, and moist. This cake is diet-friendly, naturally sweet, and perfect for breakfast, tea time, or a guilt-free dessert. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another healthy and delicious recipe. Thanks for